Hello, and this is vlog about snow day. We have snow day today, but still I don't have classes on Friday, so my friends have day off, which is good. So we're about to go to the coffee shop, but this vlog will be how we're surviving in the coldest day of 2026 in Holland, Michigan. So let me show you guys what happened last night. Guys,
We need a text.
there is on the website that classes are cancelled tomorrow. There's no hope email.
But if the email doesn't come, it means it doesn't cancel. Yeah.
I don't know. What are you doing?
Because I'm not sure.
It is official, guys! It is official!
I got the email.
Oh, it's so short. We all have classes tomorrow.
Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to us.
So pack it up and let's go for chocolate.
Yeah.
Crazy, we're gonna stay in here for like since 6 p.m.
3 hours 13 minutes.
Oh wow.
35 minutes.
And we don't have classes. Alert. Back to our shop for chocolate.
Because it's the second snow day in the same week.
Yes. Wow. So wet outside. I just went by to San Scenario going back, and it is freezing cold. It is so cold. Like, look at us. I cannot feel my fingers. Look at us. They're so red comparison to my face. They're like defrosted, unfrozen when they're getting unfrozen. You look like a penguin.
I need